Welcome back to today's class, students. In part 6, we learn about how to find LCM in three methods. As you know that LCM means least common multiple. Suppose, for example, 12 and 15. Now let us find LCM of these two numbers in the first method, that is using multiples. So in this method, first we find multiples of the given numbers. Next we find common multiple. From the common multiples, which is the least common multiple, that will be the LCM of given two numbers. Now you see here. Multiples of 12. Now 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48, 12 fives are 60, 12 sixes are 72, 12 sevens are 84, and so on we have. Now multiples of 15. 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30, 15 threes are 45, 15 fours are 60, 15 fives are 75, 15 sixes are 90, and so on we have. Now encircle what are the common multiples of 12 and 15. So we have 60 and 120, and so on we have. Just two common multiples, it is enough. Why? Because the first multiple is only the least common multiple. So whatever you are getting after 60, definitely it will be more than 60. So what is the least common multiple in this 60? So this 60 is the LCM of 12 and 15. Now let us find in the second method, that is prime factorization method. So to find LCM in prime factorization method, let us find the prime factorization of the given numbers 12 and 15 in division method. Now here 12 is an even number, so which is divisible by 2. So 2 6 are 12. Again 6 is an even number, so which is divisible by 2. So here 2 3s are 6. 3 is a prime number which is divided by itself. 3 ones are 3. So prime factorization of 12, 2 into 2 into 3. Now come to 15. 15 is an odd number, so which is divisible by 3. So 3 5s are 15. Again 5 is a prime number which is divided by itself. So 5 ones are 5. So prime factorization of 15, 3 into 5. Now here to find LCM, one concept you have to remember here. Prime factors that maximum time appears, you have to find out here. Maximum means more number of times. Here 2, how many times does it appear? 2 times. So you write 2, 2 times it appears. Now come to 3 here. Here 1 time and here 1 time. So 1 time is only the maximum time. Now come to 5 here. 5 1 time it appears. Now to find the LCM here, write 2 2 times, 3 1 time, 5 1 time. Now multiply here. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60. So 60 is the LCM of 12 and 15 in prime factorization method. Now come to the third method, which is division method. Now while you are doing in the division method, you have to choose what is the common factor of the two given numbers. With that common factor we have to divide. Here for 12 and 15 we have 3 as a common factor. Now divide by 3 here. 3 4s are 12. 3 5s are 15. Again 4 and 5 we don't have any common factor. So we'll stop the LCM here. Now multiply here 3 and this leftover numbers. 3 into 4 into 5. Therefore LCM is 3 into 4 into 5. 3 4s are 12 and 12 5s are 60. Now this is the LCM in division method. Now some more examples we'll do with 3 numbers. Children, here LCM in first method, that is using multiples, only just for knowing. But maximum in class 6 we do either in prime factorization method or division method. Now you see the example here with 3 numbers, that is 102, 119, 153. Now let us do in the prime factorization method, we'll find the LCM. Now here first 102. 102 is an even number which is divisible by 2. So 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2. Now 51 is an odd number. 5 plus 1 sum of digits 6. Using divisibility rules, if you use 6 is divisible by 3. So definitely this number is divisible by 3. So 3 ones are 3. So remainder 2. Bring down 1. 3 sevens are 21. Again 17 is a prime number which is divided by itself. 17 ones are 17. Now what is the prime factorization of 102 here? 2 into 3 into 17. Now come to here next number 119. Now here 119 is not divisible by 2, not divisible by 3. Again it is not divisible by 5. Next it is divisible by 7. Now here 7 ones are 7. 11 minus 7 4. 4 remainder 9 you bring down, 7 sevens are 49. So 7 17s 119. Again 17 is a prime number which is divided by itself. 17 ones are 17. So the prime factorization of 119, 7 into 17. Now come to the third number 153, which is divisible by 3 because it is odd number and sum of digits 1 plus 5 6, 6 plus 3 9. 9 is divisible by 3, so definitely this number is divisible by 3. 3 5s are 15, 3 1s are 3. Again 51 is divisible by 3. 3 17s 51. 17 is a prime number which is divided by itself. 17 ones are 17. So prime factorization of 153, 3 into 3 into 17. I written here. Now here what is the condition here? We have to search for the prime factors that maximum time it appears. Now first you see 2 here. Nowhere 2 here. 2 only one time we got it, that is only the maximum time. Now come to 3 here. So in this we have 3 one time and here no 3 and here we have 2 times. So more number of times we have 2 times. So 3 we have maximum times 2 times. Now 7, here no 7, only 1 7 we have here. Here there is no 7, so 7 one time is the maximum. Now come to 17. Here one time we have, here one time, here one time. That 17 only one time is only the maximum time. So now you find LCM here. 2 one time, 3 2 times, 7 one time, again 17 one time. If you multiply here, 2 3s are 6. 6 3s are 18. 18 7s 126. 126 17s 2142. So this is the way we can find LCM using prime factorization method. Example with 3 numbers. Now take another example with 4 numbers. 45, 99, 132, 165. Now let us find prime factorization of given numbers using division method. Take 45. It is divisible by 3. 3 ones are 3. Remainder 1. 5 will bring down. 3 5s are 15. So 3 15s 45. Again 15 is divisible by 3. 3 5s are 15. 5 is a prime number which is divided by itself. 5 ones are 5. So prime factorization of 45. 3 into 3 into 5. Now come to next number 99, which is divisible by 3. 3 33 is 99. Again 33 is divisible by 3. 3 11s are 33. Again 11 is a prime number which is divided by itself. 11 ones are 11. Now prime factorization of 99, we got it 3 into 3 into 11. Now come to next number 132. 132 is an even number which is divisible by 2. So 2 6 are 12. One remainder will come. We'll bring down 2. Again 12. 2 6 are 12. So 266 are 132. Again 66 is an even number which is divisible by 2. So 233 is 66. This 33 is divisible by 3. So 3 11s 33. 11 is a prime number which is divided by itself. So 11 ones are 11. So prime factorization of 132, 2 into 2 into 3 into 11. I written here. Now come to the last number 165. So here sum of digits 1 plus 6 7, 7 plus 5 12. 12 is divisible by 3. So definitely this number is divisible by 3. So 3 5s are 15. 16 minus 15 remainder 1 will bring down 5. Again 3 5s are 15. So 3 55s are 165. Now again 55 is divisible by 5. So 5 11s 55. 11 is a prime number which is divided by itself. 11 ones are 11. Now prime factorization of 165, 3 into 5 into 11. I written here. Now according to the rule, you have to see that prime factors that maximum time appears. Now let us go in order. Now 2 you see here. 2 it appears 2 times. Here nowhere 2. So you write 2 times. 3 you see here. 3 here we have 2 times. Here we have 2 times. Here we have 1 time. Here 1 time. So what is the maximum time? More number of times. 2 times is maximum. So 3 2 times. Again come to another number 5. 5 here we have 1 time. Here there is no 5. Here there is no 5. Here 5 1 time. So 1 time is only the maximum. So 5 1 time. And 11 you see. Here there is no 11. Here 1 time, 1 time, 1 time. So that 1 time only the maximum. So here 11 1 time. Now to find the LCM here. So write 2 times. 3 2 times. 5 1 time. 11 1 time. Now multiply to get LCM. 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. 12 3s are 36. 36 5s are 180. 180 11s 1980. So this is the way we can find LCM using prime factorization method. Next class we learn with same numbers how to find LCM using division method and some word problems related to them. Okay children, complete given assignment sums. Thank you.